This video will teach you how to make a bar graph of your data in Microsoft Excel. Enter data for the graph's X and Y axes. Once data entry is complete, create a bar graph. Select all of your data. Click the Insert tab. Click the bar chart icon. Click a bar graph option, 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar, and 3D bar. Customize your graph's appearance. Then click the plus from the side icons. Change your chart style. Change your chart color. Click the arrow next to Data Labels, then More Options. The right panel will be visible. Customize the chart area. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.